Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will learn two formulas. One is large and other is small. So let's start with large first. So we will use our formula here, so which is equals to large and then tab. Now you have to select range where we have our data. So we'll select from here till the end. Now we will use comma as per the formula. Now we have to select K, which means on the upper side what number you want to see. Let's say I want to see the largest among these all, so I will select 1. So I want to see the first one on the top, so then bracket over and enter. So it is showing the first one is 48,000, which we have here. Let's say now I want to see top 5, so I will use formula here, large and then tab. I will select this range, then F4 to lock this, then comma as per the formula. So now for K I will use this, a cell beside it, and then enter. And here I will write 2, so it will show you second highest. And then if I drag this, and then here I'll write 3, 4, 5, so it will show you all the ranks. So fifth number is 28,000, which we have here, and you can verify it as well. Now you might have got the point for small as well, which is obviously the opposite of it. Now we'll learn how to use small formula in Microsoft Excel. So we'll use our formula here, which is equals to small and then tab. I will select same range from here and then comma, and I will use 1 and enter. It will show you the first one on the lower side. So this is the lowest one you can find. And if I change something in our data, like if I make this 5,000, it will change as well, because now the lowest one is 5,000. Then if I want to see third lowest, then I will use this formula again, equals to small, then I will select this range and then comma and third and enter. You will see 9,000, because the lowest one is 5,000 now, and then 6,000, and the third one is 9,000. I hope you guys have learned both formulas. If you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. If this video was helpful for you, please hit that like button. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.